Okay, just a quick one here, so no intro or outro. I know yesterday was Halloween, but much of my haunt could not go outside until Halloween Day, so I thought I'd just show you my 2021 haunt a day late. Let's start with my head on a sword, draining blood. Always a crowd favorite. Next is my Timmy fell in the well illusion. This was one of my favorite builds, and you should see a card in the upper right as well as a link in the description below to my build video. I make the illusion even better with cries from the bottom, pleading for help. Oh, I've got ghouls in my garage. This one has people stopping their cars and getting out to watch.
Howdy, y'all.
Boo. This was another big crowd pleaser. I was not expecting it, but this became a very interactive prop as kids continually entered the prop area to touch the pumpkins just to make sure they were real.
We thought you walked in there and I really love this pumpkin very much. I'm trying to find it.
Moving to the graveyard, you can see my kicking legs with spewing guts. Look for the link for this build video. My most recent build video where I have trapped zombies in my truck. The kids really enjoyed this one. Moving up the wall to our bathroom window where you can see some pretty strange things going on inside our house. Hey, I'm not going to clean that. Moving back down to the graveyard, you can see some of my other props that I built, like standing legs and my skeleton trying to escape an old trunk. There are also some pretty creepy shadows cast on the wall as well. Jumping back to my garage, I caught this flash mob showing some pretty darn good dance moves. Coming back to my graveyard just to finish it out, a great tip for your haunt is using the headstones to hide your electronics and your projectors. I have speakers and projectors hiding behind that witch hiding behind the tombstone. I found it quite funny seeing the most adorable little princesses getting their pictures taken next to the spewing guts and blood-draining skull. Come on, be cool. Don't tell the landlord we have pets. Well, it's not Halloween without at least one jack-o'-lantern with a candle in it. I may not be Prince Charming, but I certainly know how to hold a sophisticated dinner party with ballroom dancing. Back to the pumpkins and their many stories and songs. These guys need to go on tour. Seriously though, these were a huge hit. Even with the adults, people would stand and listen to the stories and songs for several minutes at a time. Back to our window to give people a glimpse of what we do inside our house. Just a little electrical engineering project, nothing to worry about. Setting up my haunt, my wife said, "Don't go raising the dead or anything." I need to apologize. Finishing up the tour to my 2021 haunt, I want to say I hope you all had a wonderful and safe Halloween, and I do appreciate all of you that watch my videos. Please let me know what you think of my 2021 haunt in the comments below. Until next time, see ya.